Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to merge tracks in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Bandlab application, or of course, if you're on your PC, go to bandlab.com on your web. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, you have the trending, following, music and video. You have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top of the screen, you have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and merge tracks in Bandlab. So merging tracks in Bandlab is a useful feature for combining multiple audio clips into one cohesive track. Launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. Then go to your library and open the project containing the tracks you want to merge. After that, tap and hold on a blank space in the track list to select multiple tracks. Tap on the three-dot icon and select Merge. After merging, you can adjust the volume, pan, and other settings from the new combined track. Save your project to keep the changes. This process will combine your selected tracks into the one track, making it easier to manage and edit your project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.